Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Peru from Jam Tours Africa family. And we're actually here at location to collect our Jamaican sisters' bed and mattress and a lot of stuff.
Anything to go with the bed.
Yeah, anything to do with the bed so she can sleep comfortable. So we're just here collecting it, family. We just want to actually pay it forward. So anyone want to come, we can actually help you to get set up. You know, she's all the way out into another county enjoying herself right now. We are here right now actually helping her make sure everything is intact. No scratch, no dent. Everything is actually intact. That's a purchase.
If we get a scratch, they go back for it.
Yeah. So we're just here on side family and we just want to show you what is happening. And you know, you guys are here from Dr. Mattress setting up, as you can see, fixing the bed and stuff. So everything is sparkling clean. Yeah, family. So Dr. Mattress is it? Or the base? Yeah. Alright, so let's go.
Okay.
Yes, you're gonna open up, sweetie. Yeah, family. So Dr. Mattress is here with everything. And we're just gonna open up now for them to come. Put it in. Yeah, family. So these are the pillars. And Miss Jam George is saying it should be 4, not 2. Remember the lady was saying, oh, one won't be on the invoice and stuff like that?
No, they are all of them.
Yeah.
Let him come.
Yeah, you have the invoice there so you can show them. It should be 4 pillows. Yeah, family, so it should be 4. So we just wait for them to confirm that. Yeah, they're coming. So let's go down and see what is happening downstairs. We have to make sure that everything is right and intact. Yeah, family, so this is it. This is like a foam thing. Okay. This is the base. Carry this if it's heavy. What's in this, sweetie? Oh yeah, this is the bedside. It was 2?
No, just one.
Just one. Okay, just one bedside table. Okay. These are the foot. These are the foot. Bed foot. For your sign now, sweetie.
No, I'm done. It's good to sign.
Oh yeah, so you receive it. You see the 4 pillar there?
I told her to come to check everything before I
Yeah.
Yeah, it's sticked to. It's sticked to mattress. Bed set. What's this bed set? Okay. Mattress cover.
Check on the other side.
Oh, this one is bed set.
Okay. So this is by itself. This is 1. It's supposed to be 2. This is a pillow too?
Yeah.
So it's 1 day and 1 day.
Oh, this is the. I guess it was like same piece.
Yeah. I have to show it to them. Yeah. So out of the way. I like how they pack though. They pack it really nice so it can actually scratch. Very packed, very nice.
Yeah.
And that's the bed head there. Oh, this is the other 2 pillar that is here. Okay, so it's right. So we have 4 pillar family. Everything is intact. So we have to check to make sure everything that we order is there.
And this is the cover.
Mm-hmm.
The drawer, mattress and stuff.
Yeah. So as you can see, everything is coming in family.
So nice.
Yeah, they really packed them very nice. Yeah.
Cannot scratch or
You cannot scratch or anything. Yeah. I like when you buy something on the street side,
Oh, they don't see. You know, they do that.
pack it into a truck, and you just come like that.
And then when they're bringing, sometimes it gets a hold.
Yeah, but with you, when you shop like this, your house can be very classy
Of course.
and clean and nice, spotless.
You see this one, you don't even know what.
Yeah, yeah. Mm. Yeah, so that is what now. Yeah.
They know.
Yeah. Yeah, family. So, you know, as I said, we're just getting things ready for our Jamaican sister to come. So when she comes, she'll sleep in comfortable. Like Sealy Pasta Pedic. That's how she will be sleeping. You guys see the mattress coming in right now. Mattress coming in. Make sure no scratch and no dirt is on it, sweetie. What about the mattress cover? We should get a cover. It's there. So we have the mattress cover as we speak. It's there. And I see the mattress thick and nice.
Hii na control upload again, you could what? I think May. Ah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it looks quite good.
So,
Ah,
queen. Yeah, but it's big for queen, you know, sweetie.
I'm asking him.
It's very big for queen, not true?
Yeah, yeah.
It's very big.
I'm asking him between this.
Yeah?
And throw which one is.
It's better. It's saying this one. So that's the base coming in, family. I know you guys may be used to like wooden base, but this base is the best base. We have an experience with this. We actually have a wooden base, and we have to change and get one of this base, family, because the bed was actually sinking in. There was like a curve inside the mattress, so we have to change it out to this base. So this base can handle a lot of weight and stuff. I was wondering why my back was paining, and I realized that the base was not good, and I have to change to this base. I regret never just buy everything from Dr. Mattress, but I guess you have to learn. Oh yeah. Yeah, so Miss Jam Tours want to take a video to send it to her Jamaican sister of everything and stuff. So yeah, that's how it's set up, family. So if you come to Kenya and you want to get settled, this is how your thing will be prepared, and everything will be actually, you know, professionally done. Yeah, family. So like, share, and comment on the video. Let us know your thoughts. Everything is spanking clean.
I like making it repeat that thing.
Spanking clean. Sparkling. It's not spanking clean.
No.
So this bed was made this week.
Yeah.
Okay. You guys do a good job, man. It's nice. Yeah, okay. Hey, family. So as you can see, work done by Dr. Mattress. So if you need to get a good sleep, this is the place to get a good sleep. They just come and they set up just like that. Easy and easy like cheesy. So this is the base coming. This is the base. Let's watch. This is the bedside table. Eh? And doing it quick?
Yeah.
Why?
No, I'm saying I didn't expect them to do it so fast.
Okay. Oh, see, they wrap the bedside table so it don't get scratched.
I love the wood.
Yeah. Oh, it's nice. floor right there. It's nice. Eh? That's the next base there. Down the foot. So which one are the some that she get? The mattress cover, the one that you fold or the one that you have to zip?
The one that they have to zip so they stack it.
They'll stack it, okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is the base family. Putting in the base inside. Wow. See, they say the lower the bed, the more comfortable you sleep.
Actually, to be honest, yeah.
So I guess we have to get our bed lower.
When we bought our bed,
Yeah.
we didn't buy from them, but the mattress is from them.
Yeah.
And the bed started misbehaving.
Yeah.
So we called them, they can get us a nice bed.
Yeah.
Difficult.
Yeah. But I feel like we need to get one of these frame and set it up nice.
And for some time they said we have to sleep on the floor. But it was so comfortable.
Sleeping on the floor and the mattress alone.
Yeah.
Yeah, family, so this is the base. Everything look nice. Could they give them the mattress cover so they don't fit,
Oi, Balishani. Si dice a tu. Ile akikuza ndani ya mattress.
Yeah, the cover, yeah.
Ndio. Wewe ingezeni.
Sawa.
Sawa.
So normally they take off the plastic and they put it over it.
What?
Plastic. They take.
No, they remove the plastic.
Ah, okay. Right. Yeah, because this take a lot of manpower. Where it is, Susie? Tearing off the plastic, just like the vehicle from the showroom. Tearing off the plastic. Yeah, just like the. Eh?
Means a lot of them to put the whatever inside the.
Or they have to wash them hand and stuff. Because it's very white. Yeah. They have to wash them hand. Eh? Yeah.
But when you leave it like that, you won't get that.
What? They can go back with these foam, so they can use it again, right?
Yeah,
They can recycle these
No,
things.
the ones they can't use. It's too much trash.
No, sweetie. These things they can recycle and use it again, sweetie. We are talking
That's what
about.
I'm saying. They're going back with them.
Yeah.
Oh, I
It's
thought
good.
you mean they leave them here.
No.
They go back with
Yeah, they have to
them.
go back with it. Alright, so they're putting on the mattress cover. Yeah? Yeah.
But I think it's easier to put on.
Yeah, it's easier to put on it, but it's just you need two person. But the other one is that you just tuck it and then you slide it like that. And you just fold it under. I guess you just touch one place.
Yeah. I think it can go now. Good job. Good job.
Hapo iko sawa?
Yeah, iko sawa. In case of anything, yeah. In case of anything, sister. The pillows. No, let them stay. Hizo si ngumu kutoa. Yeah, you can pass. No problem. Yeah. Tumeshukuru sana. Yes. Oh, I need to sign this, eh?
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Everything is fine.
I don't know if it's look at this. This right here.
A slight dent.
Slight dent. You know what I mean, I don't know what you guys will do. You know.
It's a slight one.
It's a slight one. It's a slight dent. Sweetie, come.
So should we return any concern? Should we return? Should we go with it back?
Yeah, I feel you should go with it. When can you return?
Okay. When we call the in charge, we go in concerning the dent.
Yeah, okay. Alright. So sweetie, there's a little dent on the bedside table.
Hii bro iko na dent kidogo. So, naona kwa tuirudisha.
Wow.
Dent kidogo huko far end.
Yeah. And it's very visible, you can see it. Yeah.
So, what can you do?
So, suggest tunaweza rudisha.
And I've already signed the papers.
No problem.
It will look like I've received
No, hiyo is no issue. Sio bado utaindicate tu kwa hii paper.
Okay.
Bado utaindicate tu dent. Ilifunguliwa but iko na dent.
Okay.
Hiyo haina shida.
So how soon can that be?
Kirudi leo,
Thursday,
Friday.
Thursday, Friday.
yeah.
Okay.
Alright. Hey, I thought it's the bed.
Yeah, the bedside is nice though. Nice. Yeah. Should take a picture, sweetie. Take a picture. Yeah.
Still umerahisishwa.
Yeah.
This is good.
Very.
So then we'll go back with it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and then Thursday. Awesome.
Yeah, it's very nice to go.
Yeah. All right, family. So that is it, and that is that. They will have to return the bedside table and come back with a fresher one, clean like a whistle. So you know what I mean. Jam Tours is on the job, and we're doing it right. Make sure that everything is spanking clean. So family, like, share and comment on the video. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think. Let me know when you come into Africa. Jam Tours can take care of you. We are out. One love. Jah bless. Jah work must be done.